I feel like I'm having an allergic reaction to tequila right now. Feel my face, it's hot. Do not miss your chance to blow. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to do a drunk, blindfolded makeup challenge. So this here is my good friend Morgan. We've been friends for, oh my god, how long has it been? 12 years?
2005, so 13 years.
Wow. We're gonna take a little shot of tequila. Oh my god, like you know when your mouth waters before you throw up? We're about 4 marks deep. Feeling good. Okay, so we're basically gonna try to do a makeup look on each other blindfolded. Okay, wait. Oh my gosh. Which way am I facing? Okay. Oh my god, I don't like this at all. This is scary.
That's awesome.
Okay. Oh my god, I'm so scared.
This is so funny. Look at my eyebrows.
Morgan. I can't do this. Morgan. Oh my gosh. This is hard. This is so hard.
Yeah, it feels like you're doing it all.
I hope I'm still on your eyebrow. I think they're good.
Okay.
Okay.
Tarte.
Yes.
Snape tape.
Shape tape.
Snape. It's Snape. It's S.
S-H-A-P-E.
Oh, the H is really rubbed up. So it's like Snape. We are not Harry Potter people.
No, I love Harry Potter. Okay, so now we're just gonna prime her eyelids with some concealer.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, where's the end of this? Okay, and then we're gonna do it on the other side. This is so hard.
Did you think it was gonna be easy?
I did not think it was gonna be this hard. Okay, now I'm gonna blend that out and just push it all over the eyelid.
Yeah, my cheek.
What? You guys, this is really hard. I don't know where your face is. Okay, we're gonna move on to eyeshadow.
I really thought she could do a cut crease with this, you know?
Yeah, like we're just gonna, oh my god, where's my finger? Doing this would be hard sober. Small circular strokes. That is the goal. I'm getting off. Oh my god. Can we really get it in there? Oh, that's good. Let's do some liner. God. No, but I haven't done my wing yet. I haven't done the wing. Like, I can feel it. My intuition is very strong. And I just know. Like, it's so good.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what do you think the wing looks like?
I'm gonna go with a solid, like, 4. Like, on a scale of 1 to Amy Winehouse. That's the look we're going for. Like, I tried, but I didn't try too hard. We're just gonna start with the wing. So we're gonna just, yep. And then we're just gonna connect it down to the lash line. We're not priming the skin because we're drunk. So this could get me through a tsunami. This could get me through the plague.
Are you a good swimmer?
No. You want to know how I had to learn how to swim?
Someone threw you in.
Yeah, my cousin. So we're just, you know, I can't even find the hole. So we're just buffing out this concealer.
On a scale of 1 to 10 so far, like, honestly, how do you think you've done?
I got 9.5.
Out of 10?
Yeah. And we're gonna take it along the forehead. And now we're gonna blush. We're gonna blush it up. We're just gonna blush it away. Blushing. Okay.
Voluminous Lash Paradise.
Yes.
Okay. Here we go.
This is basically the Too Faced Better Than Sex, but it's like a quarter of the price. Lotions. I'm not gonna do the lower lashes because I'll literally blind you.
Here, let's just see.
Okay, and then we're gonna finish off the look with some.
Okay, well, lipstick. What lipstick would you like?
Be fancy.
I think this is a really good color. Maybe.
Okay. We're gonna really enhance the Cupid's bow. We're ready to go.
Okay, so are
Snatched.
you done?
I think we're done.
All right, so I'm gonna look at you.
Okay. Can you take...
And now whenever you're ready to go.
Okay, hang on.
You thought you were not dead. Now serving the greater Grand Rapids area.
Dude,
My turn.
I feel claustrophobic in there.
I'm gonna do better than you.
Alright, so it's Morgan's turn.
I'm gonna brush your mouth first.
Oh, we're getting fancy now.
Even though we all know Katie doesn't have a lot of eyebrows.
I feel like you're actually probably doing better than I did.
Were you ever like closing your eyes when you're doing it?
Yeah, well, because my eyes would start to water if I kept them open.
How's that?
It's so good.
We're really gonna buff it into the skin so it looks as natural as possible.
It's
You don't want to be
natural.
fake AF, you know?
No.
Boys don't like that.
I feel like I have to hold my breath.
You like look like a canned goddess. You're a Greek goddess.
I'm gonna be holding my breath.
You're
You're gonna get on my teeth.
okay, I'm going on your widow's peak. Your nose.
My widow's peak.
Let's go. Alright, you have like little baby eyelashes. Okay. Alright, now I'm gonna pick out lipstick.
This is gonna be just the icing on the cake.
That is for sure your lip, dude.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're together. Alright. How's it look? Okay.
It's really good. It's very, you know what? We're pretty similar. We're very editorial. I feel like we had a theme going here. It's very like avant-garde.
Amy Winehouse.
You know, you could go to the grocery store.
I'm sweating right now because I'm drunk.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a
Subscribe!
thumbs up.
Like and subscribe!
Subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you in the next video. Sober. Oh my god.